Oh my god!
Encore et encore, et après tu vas vers remords et tu nous fais ton petit numéro.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
Do it.
No, they are my chicken.
Say good morning to your mama. Let's try again. Good morning.
Gigi. Aw, you got scared. Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
I just want to acknowledge your
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Come here.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Stop messing with me.
Are you hungry?
Hi, boys.
Princess! Come on. Nom 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 nom. Oh my god!
Percy.
Oh!
It's gonna make it. Normalize you not touching my charger.
Oh my god.
You gotta be kidding me!
Safada.
What are you doing? 1, 2, 3. Make your silly face go. Oh! Kitty, are you dead? What are you doing?
Kitty, you good? I need my jacket. no, are you stuck in the... Oh, good job.
Long live the king.
Вообще...
Oh my god.
Muxie.
É você, olha lá, ó. Yeah. I feel you.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Can I have my noodles?
Oh.
Hey!
Oh!
I love you perfect. I love you.
Hello.
Long live the king.
You silly kitty. Okay.
Are you mad I brought a baby to your house?
Tres.
Oh my god!
Ma'am.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil. What?
What do you want? That was a good one.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Evie.
Are you good? I need my jacket.
So let me in, open your house. I'm just a cat, let me concur.
My God, psycho.
Yep.
But he's like growling, but
Oh, I see it.
Dude.
you're adopted.
No. Lo clavó.
He's gonna make it.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
Don't bite his tail.